Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Hyundai Elantra AC. Before starting, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. We will begin by locating the low-pressure service port on your AC system, which is a crucial first step for a successful recharge. Finding the correct port is essential. The low-pressure port is usually found on the larger diameter AC line, often identifiable by a blue or black cap marked with an L. You will also need an AC recharge kit, which includes a hose with a pressure gauge and a can of appropriate refrigerant. Having these tools ready ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now let's connect the kit. Securely attach the recharge hose to the low-pressure port. Once connected, start your engine and turn your AC system to its maximum setting with the fan on high. Slowly add the refrigerant by pressing the can's trigger, continuously monitoring the pressure gauge to ensure you are within the recommended range. After adding refrigerant, check your gauge. The ideal pressure should fall between 25 and 45 psi. It is crucial not to overfill the system, as this can lead to serious damage. Once the pressure is correct, disconnect the hose from the port and securely replace the service port cap. Your AC should now be blowing cold air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.